Hello, students. Today we will read chapter 8 of your English literature book, and the name of the chapter is A Fine Day. It is basically a poem written by Catherine Mansfield. So, let's start. After all the rain, the sun shines on hill and grassy mead. So, after the rainy days, the sun shines on the hill and on the grassy mead. Grassy mead means grassy field. Fly into the garden, child. You are very glad indeed. So, the speaker is asking the child to fly into the garden, to go into the garden, to run into the garden. Here fly means to run. Run into the garden as the child is very glad, very happy. Because we all know that rainy days for a long time is very depressing. So we all love sunny days. So when after a long period of rainy days, when the sun shines on the hill and the grassy field, the child becomes happy, and so the speaker is asking the child to go into the garden, to run into the garden, as he is very happy, he is very glad. For the days have been so dull, rainy days were so dull, oh, so spatial, dark and drear. So what is the meaning of spatial, dark and drear? Spatial, dark and drear means spatially depressing and dull days. So rainy days are very dull and very depressing. That you told me, Mr. Sun has forgotten we live here. The rainy days are so depressing and dull and dark that the child told the speaker that Mr. Sun must have forgotten that we live here. That is why he is not coming out of the clouds. He is hiding himself behind the clouds. On the lilac tree, a bird singing first a little note. So, lilac is a flowering tree which is found in Europe and North America. So, a bird is sitting on the lilac tree singing first a little note. When there were rainy, dark and drear rainy days, that time that bird was not singing songs, because he was also feeling depressed, feeling very dull. But when the sun shines on the hillside and the grassy field, then the bird also burst of happy song. The bird also started singing happy notes, happy songs, bubbles in his lifted throat. Oh, the sun, the comfy means comfortable sun. We all feel comfortable under the sun. So, oh the sun, the comfy sun, this the song that you must sing. So, the speaker is asking the child, is telling the child to sing a song for the sun. A happy song, a thanking song. Thank you for the birds and the flowers. Thank you, sun, for everything. So the speaker is asking the child to sing a song for the sun. And this is a thank-giving song. This is a thanking song. Okay. So the poem is about a fine day when the sun shines after a long rainy days, and rainy days are very dull and depressing. No one loves that, but we all love sunny days. We all love Mr. Sun. So a child become depressed and dull during the rainy days, and when the sun shines, he became very cheerful, he became very happy. So the speaker is asking the child to go to run into the garden, and the bird also became very cheerful. He also became very happy when the sun shines, and he also started singing songs on happy notes. And so the speaker is asking the child to thank the sun, to thank Mr. Sun for the birds, for the flowers, and for everything. Okay, so this is the poem is all about. I hope that you have understood, and there are the word meanings that you will going to learn. Okay, and if you find any problem regarding the meanings, regarding anything, then do ask me. Thank you.